Using CreditSaint credit report analysis is a crucial step in managing your financial health. This tutorial will guide you through the importance of credit report analysis and how CreditSaint can help. First, it is essential to understand what a credit report is. A credit report is a detailed record of your credit history, including information about your credit accounts, payment history, and public records such as bankruptcies or foreclosures. Your credit report is used to calculate your credit score, which lenders use to determine your creditworthiness. CreditSaint is a credit repair company that offers a comprehensive credit report analysis. They provide a detailed review of your credit report, identifying errors, inaccuracies, and negative marks that may be affecting your credit score. With CreditSaint, you can dispute these errors and work towards improving your credit score. The benefits of using CreditSaint credit report analysis include improved credit scores, reduced debt, and increased financial stability. By identifying and disputing errors on your credit report, you can improve your credit score, which can lead to better loan terms, lower interest rates, and increased credit limits. To get started with CreditSaint, simply sign up for their service and provide them with your credit report information. Their team of experts will review your report, identify areas for improvement, and provide you with a personalized plan to improve your credit score. Best practices for using CreditSaint include regularly monitoring your credit report, disputing errors promptly, and making on-time payments to your credit accounts. By following these best practices and using CreditSaint credit report analysis, you can take control of your financial health and achieve your long-term financial goals. In conclusion, using CreditSaint credit report analysis is a valuable tool for managing your financial health. By understanding your credit report, identifying errors, and working towards improving your credit score, you can achieve financial stability and security. With CreditSaint, you can take the first step towards improving your credit score and achieving your long-term financial goals.